I'm Bill Hope. I'm an artist and illustrator living in the Blue Mountains. I count myself as one of those lucky people who's always known what they wanted to do, and for me that thing has always been drawing. When people ask me where my inspiration comes from, I often think about the books that I was reading when I was growing up. On one side of me I had a stacked tomes of Renaissance art, and on the other side maybe some Marvel comics or Tintin or Asterix comics. And I feel like I'm still sort of in the space in between those two influences. I love making work that reframes ordinary life. I think the fantastical can be an extraordinary lens for investigating our everyday drives and motivations. I'd always been drawing on paper, but it was only towards late high school that my parents bought me my first Wacom tablet. And that kind of introduced me to the world of digital drawing and all the endless possibilities that come with that. Once I graduated from art school, I started working in the commercial illustration space, and then suddenly I was working on storyboards and advertising posters and caricatures and all kinds of things. And I really had to adapt to that manic pace of working within the industry. The pressure of that industry really started me on a path of optimization. I'm always looking for some sort of shortcut or workaround now to really speed up my workflow. Today I keep most of my work in the cloud, and I have a range of mobile tools that keep me connected and working wherever I might be. I've been working in commercial illustration for about 7 years when my partner and I decided to move out of Sydney up to where we are now in the Blue Mountains. Since moving, my work's really broadened out into a few different areas. I've started publishing some books, children's books, and I've recently opened this gallery that we're in now. This gallery's become an amazing outlet for me to explore all kinds of different creative ideas and really connect with the community here. I've recently been introduced to a web app called Cami, and it's really exciting to see the kind of technology that the kids are using today. It's so far beyond any kind of capabilities of remote schooling that I would have had access to, and I'm really interested to see what the next generation will do with it. When I was at high school, I was always doodling away in the margins of my books, and a 13-year-old me would have killed to try something like this out. Today in the gallery, I'm drawing with a Wacom One display. It's great trying out these new technologies, and I love the freedom that this array of tools provides for me. Since I started digitally drawing maybe 15 years ago, the main differences that I can see is how seamless it all feels now. It used to be a real process of sort of wrestling with the technology, and now it feels like a much more intuitive process, almost just like picking up a pencil on paper. It's really seamless and easy, and it's fun as well. I love the freedom it provides. It's a sort of a safe space where I can create, and you have the potential to try whatever you want. And it makes creativity fun and accessible.